Skul jawuowi ma Kisumu Boys koro to yango mar timo winjruok makende kendo neno ni gitiyo kanyakla koda kar tiegruok mar Kisumu Polytechnic. Winjruok mabende koro to biro neno ni gitiyo kanyakla e bero somo mar CBE. Mae wach mabende no yangi koda ka japuonj maduong' mabende ne loso koda ka wang' jowini mar Kala TV. Mabende koro to oyango ni winjruok ma kamano en mano mabende koro biro neno ni obero somo mag jopuonjre mopogore opogore. Meri ekane jatelo no loso.
Name is David Amayo. I'm serving at Kisumu Boys High School as the deputy principal in charge of administration. It's important to mention that the school has partnered with the Kisumu National Polytechnic to facilitate the technical subjects like power mechanics, aviation, marine and fisheries, electricity, building and construction, because we are aware that we may not have sufficient staff to handle this, because our universities are just beginning to take this as a training for high school and qualifying teachers to take up this. But we know that we have staff approved in the Polytechnic who can offer this, so the learners have been catered for, and we hope that we are going to prepare them enough for their career the moment they end their third year in Kisumu Boys High School. Safaricom has considered our school and is putting up a lab for us that is going to help us actually boost our technology services and even the technical subjects that are technology based. By the end of this construction, we are hopeful that this institution is going to be an ICT hub, not just for ourselves but in the region at large. We are forever grateful to Safaricom for having considered us. They have already launched it, and we hope in record time they'll be able to finish the building that the students can enjoy the services.